Organic posting on social media can help you grow, but its reach is limited. That's where Facebook and Instagram advertising makes the difference. By promoting your strongest content, we expand your reach beyond your current followers and connect you with new customers who are actively in your market. Our strategically built campaigns use compelling images and video to capture attention, drive traffic to your website, and reinforce your overall digital presence. Paid social works because it's precise. Instead of hoping the right people see your content, we intentionally deliver it to high-value audiences who are most likely to become long-term customers. Facebook and Instagram allow us to reach past website visitors, current customers, and entirely new audiences with focused targeting designed to grow your business. Our tailored campaigns keep your shop in front of the right audience at the right time. Social advertising often delivers lower costs than traditional pay-per-click, helping you reach more local drivers and extend your presence across additional platforms. We don't run broad, unfocused campaigns. We target past visitors, current customers, and new prospects who match your ideal client profile. That focus allows your ad budget to work harder, reaching the people most likely to book, call, or walk through your door. Video plays a powerful role in this strategy. It consistently captures more attention and drives stronger engagement than static content alone. We produce high-quality video ads that showcase your services, highlight real customer experiences, and communicate what sets your shop apart, keeping your business top of mind when customers are ready to schedule service. If you're looking to start advertising your auto repair shop on social media, reach out to us. We would love to help you out and boost your shop to the next level.